Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I was getting ready to make a card for my daughter who is being inducted into the National Honor Society, so I thought I would record and show you my process on this so that if you need to make a card like that too, you can do it. So what I have today is a square card base, and it's 5 by 5, and then so it is 11 scored at 5.5. And then I printed this out from online, and I used the Gina stitch circles to cut that. And then I had some patterned paper, and I used a Spellbinders circle that I had for that. And these layer together nicely. And then I also have a 5 by 5 not a very thin piece of paper, and I'm going to be layering these strips and put them on here, and then I'll make a nice background and then put that on top. So that's my process for that. I'm going to bring in a silicone sheet that I have so that I don't get tape runner everywhere. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a start on this edge. Just put some dot runner down. And I'm out. Of course. Let's see. Alright, just use this one. Alright. Just going to start here at the top. You just want to make sure that you line them up so they're touching each other. And when we get all done, we'll just cut off the excess. No big deal. this one. Okay. Give it a good rub. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can do this on my trimmer, but you can also use scissors. The last one's going to be so tough. Ah, scissors. Actually, I think I'll cut this down a tiny bit so we can kind of lose that edge there. Or the teeny one. Yeah. That will make it easier. There we go. Okay. Well, that's gonna look really nice. Alright, so I'm gonna glue this to this. I'll actually use my tape runner. Okay. And then this I'm actually going to pop with some Big Mama foam tape. I really like these scissors. They're from Simon Says Stamp, and they are coated so that they don't stick on sticky things. Alright. And I like to use a vinyl weeding tool to get the backs off. If you can get under the paper just right, it will come right off. But not today, of course. Alright. Alright. So, there we go. A pretty easy card to put together. Looks good. And it'll be nice for the event. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thanks!